Hello, welcome. So today we are going to produce 3 liters of air freshener. Yes, so air freshener is one cleaning product that is very easy to produce. Yes, so as you can see, all the things on this table are what we are going to produce our air freshener with. So in here is already my dissolved color. So today I'm going to use a pink color. Then this is my perfume. I'm going to combine 2 perfume. I'm going to use lavender and strawberry, 100 ml. So here is my whitener. So the job of your whitener is to make your air freshener not to separate after the production. So this small wrap here is my Texapon. You don't need it much, just a spoon is enough for you. So in here is my Methanol. Then inside it is dissolved Menthol. So I've already put my Menthol inside and it has dissolved. So I don't like wasting time when I'm producing, because you know how Menthol is. So that's why I put it inside, so it will dissolve and wouldn't waste my time when I start to produce. So inside this bucket is 2 liters of water. This is our main production bucket. Inside here is 1 liter of water, which I am going to dissolve our Texapon inside it. So I'm going to put this Texapon inside this 1 liter of water and try to dissolve it. Please don't stir too hard so that it does not foam too much. So let's go. So here is our Texapon. So don't stir it too much so that it does not start to foam, bring out foam much. Just a little stir is okay. I would have loved to dissolve this Texapon before now so that our production can be very fast, but no problem. So you will just stir it gently until the Texapon dissolves. But before then, we are going to put this our whitener inside the 2 liters of water. So I'm going to pour it inside my 2 liters of water. And stir very well too. You stir it for like 3 minutes. One thing with air freshener, if you want your air freshener to last long, you should always increase the perfume. Yes, perfume is the main ingredient in air freshener. Yes. So if you want your air freshener to last very long, increase the quantity of perfume you use in making your air freshener. That's the beauty of it. And the air freshener is very easy to make. As you can see how we are gently, simply taking the process one after the other. So there is it. Let us check our Texapon, whether it has finished melting. It has not melted. So we will have to wait for our Texapon to completely dissolve. Then we can add it into our main production. Now our Texapon has completely dissolved. Then we pour it into our main production. Yes, you don't really need this foam. You stir very well, stir like 3 minutes before you add another chemical, which is the color. Trust me, I'm going to remove all this foam. We are not making a foaming air freshener. We are making a nice scenting air freshener. So all those foams are not needed. I just wanted to show you people my Texapon. If not, I would have soaked it long before I start the production so that it can melt and clear out without having all these foams. But no problem. So this is our air freshener now. You can now gently add your color. So you add the quantity of color you want and the type of color you want. It's not a must you will use pink, and it's not even a must that you will add color. But I just want to add my own color, and I want to add color pink. So I don't want to add much color. So as you can see, my air freshener is already looking good. I just added a little color. I don't want it to be too pinky. Yes, you can add your own choice of color too, and the quantity you want. So if you don't like your own looking like this, just go with your choice. So our next chemical now is going to be our perfume, and that's the last chemical that we are going to add. The obonge. Yes, perfume is the obonge chemical when it comes to air freshener. The quality of air freshener you are going to have depends on the quantity of perfume you used for your production. So you can use more than 200 ml to produce your 3 liters of air freshener. You can use more than. It's not a must you will use 200 ml. It's not a must you use 200 as I use. You can decide to use more. Yeah. The obonge. The obonge chemical. This is the main chemical in your air freshener. And after producing your air freshener, make sure you store it in a very airtight container. Yes, lock it up in an airtight container. The longer your air freshener stays, the better it will last in the air. So you stir very well, like 5 minutes before you cover your products. So at this junction now, we are done with our air freshener. So see it here. Oh, and the scent is so lovely. I use strawberry and lavender, and these two combination of perfume is really giving me the vibe that I want. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed the production. So air freshener production is very simple, easy, and that is it. Thank you. So remember, store in an airtight container. Bye.